Hello, this is Vanessa Choi, your creative marketing and AI brand strategist. If you have been busy doing things online but still not getting traction, this video is for you. And today I'm going to share with you 5 common non-revenue generating activities that you might be doing. And surely I will also share with you how to fix it. The first problem is you keep scrolling through social media to do research or to get inspiration. But the problem is this is your attention, but at the end you get distracted and you actually spend on social media for hours and hours without knowing it. And then the solution for number 1 is actually use a timer. Is actually set a specific time slot, let's say 20 to 30 minutes daily, to actually dedicate it to engage on your social media. Whether with the ideal clients or commenting or engaging, just set a time between 20 to 30 minutes, nothing more than that. So when the timer is up, you just stop doing it. So problem number 2, it's overconsumption of free content. So you attend a lot of different free webinars, you download different free resources, but without taking meaningful action or implementation. And the solution for problem number 2 is to limit yourself to one high quality resource every month, and then to commit to take immediate action. Let's say within 48 hours after you download your free content, download your freebies or attend your free webinar. Make sure you take action and then ensure the learning translates directly into the revenue focus activity. And problem number 3 is you keep constantly tweaking and perfecting of the content, but you never publish it. And the solution to problem number 3, it's remember, done it's better than perfect. So definitely set straight deadlines and set up some templates, or even batch create your content. If you can't do it monthly, do it weekly or do it bi-weekly. So problem number 4, it's building an audience without clear monetizations, meaning that you keep building your list but without a goal. You don't know what to do with the list. So the solution to the problem number 4 is to set clearly define your offer. And then you create a target lead magnet or funnel which can directly relate it to what you want to offer. So make sure they are related. So otherwise, if you keep putting out content but without knowing what to do with them, you're going nowhere. And the problem number 5 is networking without strategic intention. So you keep attending networking events, whether it's face-to-face or online, but again, without a clear goal. And the solution to problem number 5 is to be intentional. Before participating or joining any networking event, whether it's online or face-to-face, make sure you know your goal, whether you want to have a client acquisition offer in mind, or if you are working on collaboration or joint venture. Make sure you know your goal before attending, and then focus in fewer groups. Like instead of attending different groups, just make sure that you attend fewer groups that build deeper connection and also build authentic relationship. That's very important. So now, by shifting your focus away from these non-revenue generated activities, you will start seeing the growth and also the income coming through. If you like what I shared today, you might be interested in this video as well. So this video is about the right strategy for coaches and course creator. So if you like what I share, you can subscribe, share, or like my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.